Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Hines Interests, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Hines Interests, start by researching the company and its investment philosophy. Visit the official Hines website to gather information about their current investment projects. Familiarize yourself with the types of properties they focus on, such as residential, commercial, and industrial developments. Review their performance history, including successfully completed projects and overall returns. Decide how much capital you are willing to invest. Consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and the time frame for your investment. Reach out to Hines or their representatives for specific investment opportunities. Inquire about their current offerings, including any funds or syndicates you can invest in. Ensure you understand the terms and conditions associated with each investment opportunity. Evaluate the fees involved in investing, as these can affect your overall returns. Ask for access to their investor presentations, as these documents provide detailed information on each investment option. Attend any informational webinars or meetings they offer to gain insights from Hines professionals. If you require it, consult with a financial advisor regarding your decision to invest. Once you have selected an investment opportunity, complete the necessary documents. Be prepared to provide personal and financial information as part of the investment process. After your application is approved, fund your investment according to the specific guidelines provided. Monitor your investment regularly through the updates sent by Hines. Stay informed about market trends and how they may affect your investment. Consider reinvesting any returns you receive to maximize your growth potential. Review your overall investment strategy periodically and adjust as needed to align with your financial goals. Engage with the Hines investment community through networking events or forums for further insights. This comprehensive approach will enhance your understanding and success in investing with Hines Interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.